a little bit of pressure down. That's it. Just a little bit. Right. Now just to hold it there, it's going to get a straight edge and check it. Almost perfect. Instead of it going in, that just sticks out a little bit in that spot. That's alright. It sticks out in that spot all the way along. That's a hell of a lot better than it was.